Hey guys, it's Jessica here. Welcome back to my channel. This morning we are in my kitchen, obviously. I am going to be doing a clean your fridge with me video. I have been needing to clean out my fridge for like a hot minute. Like, we're not going to talk about for how long. But it really needs to be, like, everything's going to come out. We're going to wipe everything out, wipe everything down. I don't even know what I have in the back there, like in the back of my fridge. I don't know. So I'll obviously show you guys it before, and then we'll take everything out, put it here on my island or on my stove, wherever it'll all fit, and then kind of chunk out what we don't need, what we don't use, what's expired, clean out the fridge, and then kind of put it back in an organized manner, maybe. As organized as I can. In this video, you may hear my kids in the background. They are here, obviously. We are at home, and then you may see our very dirty, well, it's not dirty, but unorganized, messy playroom. But it's a playroom, and that's understandable, right? That's how I like to think of it. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to start taking things out of my refrigerator. If you are interested, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you be a part of my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jessica. I live in Southeast Texas with my husband Trevor and our 2 toddlers, and I am currently 22 weeks with our 3rd baby. I do a lot of, well, I'm doing a lot of mommy videos, pregnancy videos, and then trying to throw in a clean with me. I am trying to get my house, I tell people I'm starting corner by corner, so I am trying to get my house all together. Our house is a huge construction zone. I've said it before in other videos. With construction outside, construction inside. We bought an unfinished home, but trying to get things a lot more clean, organized, and in order before baby boy Thomas arrives at the very end of July. So there's a lot going on in our house. We're a very busy family, so we would love to have you follow along. All right, guys, let's jump right in. So that is it for this video. I hope this gave you a little bit of inspiration to clean a corner of your home, since that's kind of what my plan is of leading to baby Thomas, to clean a corner at a time, right? So thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy now that my fridge is organized and cleaned out. It looks so much better. Trevor's gonna come home and be like, holy cow, whose fridge is this? So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, thanks.